Hey, thanks for tuning in. Trevor here with Hanging High Hammocks. Today I want to show you how to attach a continuous loop to the end of your hammock that may have a nylon webbing in it or a sewn channel in the end of your hammock. I have two methods here. The first method is going to be if you already have something through the end of your hammock, and the second method is going to be using a loop turner to feed a piece of continuous loop through a hammock without anything in it currently. So stay tuned. I'll go ahead and show you how to get that done. Okay, so the first method is going to involve just Lark's heading a continuous loop onto the nylon webbing that's there. So what you want to do first is to take off the carabiner, set that to the side for right now. You're going to undo the Lark's head that's currently in the end of your hammock, and you will Lark's head a continuous loop onto the end of one side, like so. You'll feed it through and then pull it through itself and lock it in. Now you're just going to work the webbing through. Don't forget to attach a carabiner to this side. That way you're not going to accidentally pull a continuous loop through as well. So now just work the end of the gathered end hammock over. Like so. Now you will cut the webbing. Just take a knife or scissors, cut the webbing, pull it out. Like so. Take your carabiner off this side. And feed it through. And now you've attached a continuous loop to the end of your hammock. So the next method is going to involve the loop turner when you do not have anything in the end of your hammock. So this is a hammock with the sewn-in channel, like stated before. What you want to do is just feed this loop turner all the way through. Be sure to keep it bunched up at the tip of the loop turner. Sorry about that. And then you're going to go ahead and attach the continuous loop into your loop turner, push the latch up, and then pull it through. Again, you want to make sure that you put a carabiner on the end so you don't accidentally pull the continuous loop through. If I can get it started here. So continually feed the material over the am steel continuous loop, pull it through like so. Feed the carabiner or take the carabiner off and just feed it through, feed one end through the opposite and pull. Now you've connected a continuous loop to the end of your hammock that had nothing in it prior. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you found some value from this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can stay up to date on our newest releases. Until next time, get hanging.